Lagos state government says it has recorded 39 cases of physical and sexual abuse of children in their schools. Also, 2 school children died in Lagos last year, one from drowning at the school pool. The other child was run down by a vehicle after crossing the school gate. The executive secretary of the Lagos State Domestic and Sexual Violence Agency is now urging schools to fully adopt the provisions of safeguarding and child protection policy of the state government. Kemi Folademo has more.
A robust child protection policy requires a thorough multidisciplinary and multi-agency approach. These formed the basis for this stakeholders meeting to engage them on the successes recorded in 2022, identify lingering challenges, and proffer recommendations for the full implementation of the safeguarding and child protection policy in schools in Lagos. At the Joint Task Force on Safeguarding and Child Protection in the past 1 year visited several schools where it received concerns.
There's still low level of awareness about the roles that schools, administrators, principals should play in ensuring full implementation of the policy. There's a need to upgrade our capacity of certain professionals in the school setting to be able to appropriately respond to disclosures of abuse.
So it's important that everyone embrace the policy, understand the policy, that it's not just a policy that is put in some library. It has to be a living, usable document that directs how things are done, including emergency procedures and guidance for things like that.
Other feedback established the need to enhance collaboration of stakeholders that will highlight roles of everyone, which will help in tackling cases as they arise.
Something has to give. Children must be safe in their own space. Children spend a long time, many hours in a day in schools, and so the school must be their safe haven while they're there. So we can no longer close our eyes to what is happening. We must address it, and we must address it as quickly as possible.
We want our children to be safe. If all parents have gone to work and they've done their own part by paying school fees, so when abuse happens in the school premises, it is the responsibility of the people on ground to also be accountable. And what if the policies of the child protection and safeguarding policies have been shared across and they've been trained and they've all are aware of it and they even have their own school child protection policy? How far have they gone with implementation?
It is expected that understanding the trends and lessons learned so far will produce stronger policies and effective monitoring to prevent harm and abuses to children across schools in the state. Kemi Folademo, TVC News, Lagos.